guys, today we are going to see how to remove the bloatwares, that is the apps which cannot be uninstalled. Here this app Hangouts cannot be uninstalled directly, but we can uninstall these apps easily using this titanium backup app. There are many uses of this app, but mostly we use it for backup and restore options. But today we are going to use this app for removing the bloatware apps. Today I am going to remove that Hangout app. So search for that app here. Here it is. So click on the tab. In the next window it shows some options. Click uninstall in that window, then click on yes. Again it will ask for do you want to uninstall. Click on yes. That's it. Now it gets uninstalled, but remember, this icon will get removed only if you reboot the phone. So let me reboot the phone now. Now unlock your mobile. Now you will not see that Hangouts app here. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.